Hey guys, Liam here again. Today we're going to be looking at the Snapmaker U1 and specifically about nozzle changes on the Toolhead. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do compared to the likes of the Bamboo Labs, which probably have us spoiled, I suppose, to a degree. You have to take your Toolhead off the back. You have two options. You can disconnect the cable and the PTFE and bring this over as far as your bench and do it there, which is probably the easiest. You can, however, just pull this out through the front of the machine and work on it. It's just a little bit more fiddly. In order to change the nozzle, you need to remove the back cover. It's just held on with magnets. There are two Allen key bolts holding the nozzle in place, here and here. You have a clip on the top here for one wire and a clip over here for the thermistor on the top right. So you're just going to have to open each screw. Catch your nozzle, pull it out and detach your wires carefully from behind the black plastic clip. Don't know if you can see it there, hopefully you can. Once they're out, you then need to catch the little clip up here at the top, push it up and extract the wire, and then the same for the opposite side. Push up the clip, pull out the wire. So to replace that then, or change it, get your new nozzle, load it back into the printer head, get your two screws, just get it started. I got this little set on Amazon. I might link it in the comments, but it's actually really handy for this. It speeds up removing stuff quite a bit. So get your cable, line it back up with the clip, push it back in. It has to sit in behind that plastic clip and that one. This other one feeds over to the top right hand corner. Clip it into place. Feed your wires back down. And again, tuck them in behind the black plastic clip here at the bottom. Being careful not to damage them. I find this is probably nearly the worst part of it, just getting the wires in. You could leave them loose, but they might foul the cover. Okay, that's done. Slap this back on and put it back in position. And that's one done. Alright, to replace it the other way, with a replacement tool head, you're just going to come along, unscrew the two screws holding down the USB-C cable, pull up the USB-C, push down the clip on the PTFE, tool head off. New tool head with 0.2 nozzle installed. USB-C in, PTFE in. And that's it. And then you go back into the settings here on the printer to update it and tell it that it's a 0.2 nozzle that's in position 2. So if you've gone and changed the nozzle, the way you update it in the settings is to tap on this button here, go down as far as maintenance, then go into toolhead info. And in my case, toolhead 2 has been changed to a 0.2 mil, so I tap it there and hit save. Go back, I'll go back again, and I go into device calibration, and I would go in and do a multi-tool head offset calibration just to ensure that each of the 4 nozzles align. That's it. Simple as that. Once you've all that done, you're good to go. Way quicker than having to swap out the nozzles individually. Plus, if I need to swap it back, it's literally just a matter of removing 2 screws and a PTFE tube, and then updating the nozzle size in the printer again. It's not the cheapest way of doing it. It's definitely a lot quicker. Plus, when you multiply it by 4 tool heads, the time savings that up. So if anyone's thinking about or does this regularly where they have to change out nozzles, I highly recommend getting yourself a set of tool heads. These 3 are all the same, so you'll see them advertised on the Snapmaker website, tools 2, 3 and 4. They're interchangeable. This one here, the left hand one, is docked differently, so the magnets and pins are on the left hand side compared to the right hand side on the other 2. Any questions, leave them in the comments and I will get back to you if I can. But as I say, well worth doing if it's something you do regularly or need to do. All right, thanks for your time. Goodbye.